Good morning students. Today in this video we are going to learn our lesson number 15, that is poisonous animals in the world. Now students, open educate textbook page number 20. A poisonous animal carries harmful chemical called poison toxin. A venomous animal also carries poison. The venomous animal injects its poison through a sting, unlike a poisonous animal. Name the following most poisonous animals in the world. You may use the help box. Now, students, in this lesson, poisonous animals in the world, there are 9 different pictures of poisonous animals are given here. Students, if you watch this video very carefully, then you are able to give correct answer of each poisonous animal. Now, let us see picture number 1. World's most poisonous fish, also the second most poisonous animal on the earth. Now students, can you tell me the world's most poisonous fish? The correct answer is puffer fish. So students, in picture number 1, students, you will write the correct answer is puffer fish. Now, different types of puffer fish you can see. Freshwater puffer fish, dwarf puffer fish, red-tailed dwarf puffer and golden puffer fish. Okay students, now let us see picture number 2. World's most poisonous animal. Now students, can you tell me the world's most poisonous animal? The correct answer is golden poison dart frog. So students, in picture number 2, you will write the correct answer is golden poison dart frog. The golden poison frog, also known as the golden frog or golden dart frog, is a poison dart frog endemic to the Pacific coast of Colombia. Let us see picture number 3. World's most poisonous lizard. Now students, can you tell me the name of the world's most poisonous lizard? The correct answer is Gila monster. So students, picture number 3, you will write the correct answer is Gila monster. The Gila monster is a venomous lizard native to the southwestern United States and the northwestern Mexican state of Sonora. Now let us see picture number 4. World's most venomous snake. Just a single bite of this snake contains enough venom to kill 100 human adults. Now students, can you tell me the name of the world's most venomous snake? The correct answer is inland taipan. So students, in picture number 4, you will write the correct answer is inland taipan. Let us see picture number 5. World's most poisonous 8-handed animal. Now students, can you tell me the world's most poisonous 8-handed animal name? The correct answer is blue-ringed octopus. So students, picture number 5, you will write the correct answer is blue-ringed octopus. The blue-ringed octopus of Australia is one of the most dangerous marine animals. Its venomous saliva contains a neurotoxin that leads to respiratory failure. Let us see picture number 6. World's most poisonous snail. One drop of its venom can kill 20 human adults. Now students, can you tell me the name of the world's most poisonous snail? The correct answer is marbled corn snail. So student, picture number 6, you will write the correct answer is marbled corn snail. Let us see picture number 7. World's most poisonous insects. Now students, can you tell me the name of the world's most poisonous insects? The correct answer is death stalker scorpion. Okay students, so in picture number 7, students, you will write the correct answer is death stalker scorpion. Let us see picture number 8. World's most venomous animal. Now students, can you tell me the name of the world's most venomous animal? The correct answer is box jellyfish. So students, in picture number 8, you will write the correct answer is box jellyfish. Box jellyfish are found in warm coastal waters around the world. The lethal varieties are found primarily in the Indo-Pacific region and northern Australia. Let us see picture number 9. World's most venomous fish. Now students, can you tell me the name of the world's most venomous fish? The correct answer is stone fish. So students, in picture number 9, you will write the correct answer is stone fish. Now students, in this lesson, students, you have got some information about different types of poisonous animals in the world. Now students, I hope you enjoyed this lesson very much. Okay students, now thank you and have a nice day.